All right, 1615 Autumn Sage, beautiful one-story at the end of a cul-de-sac. Boom, nice and spacious. You got a fire hydrant right there just in case your house catches on fire. Quick access to put it out. This house has a huge lot. It is almost 1,800 square feet. Nice white brick. It is in a beautiful neighborhood. Newer builds. You got a neighborhood park. Beautiful big living room. Here's this angle, pow. Vinyl plank flooring. Granite counters. Refrigerator, washer, and dryer are included. Boom. This thing is spotless clean. That's me clicking my tongue for dramatic effect. Here's this angle. Boom. We're standing right now in the dining room, hence the fixture. So you have a living dining combo. This is the shot of the living area. It's huge, very spacious. Lots of good natural light. There's only one light in here and it's very bright. Let's look at the primary bedroom first. Boom. Put your bed there, or you can put your bed there, whichever. I would say that this is about maybe 13 by 13. Don't quote me on that, but that's what a good estimation would be. Lots of space. Primary bathroom. Look at that, double vanity. This shower was just redone with a nice blue subway tile. All the way to the ceiling, ladies and gentlemen. Nice white grout. This has never been showered in. That is a brand new pan. This has never been showered in since it's been retiled. You got a linen closet, shelf. Here's your primary closet. Here's your toilet. Boom, boom. That's what a toilet looks like. And then this has a quartz counter. Boom, boom. All right, here we go, onward. This is to the backyard, which we'll get to last. Save the best for last. Here's your pantry. Shelf. Here is your washer dryer, included. Little extra space in there so you can stand in and close your door. Actually, don't do that because there's not a doorknob on there. But washer dryer, beautiful. Guest bedroom number 1. Boom. This is about, I would say, maybe 10 by 10, maybe 11 by 11. I don't know for sure. Linen closet, or linen coat closet. Here's bedroom number 3. This is a 4-bedroom. And then this is the closet. Just a typical, non-walk-in. This is your guest bathroom. Another quartz vanity. Nice white clean subway towel. Boom. Spotless. Quartz counter. Mirror. Towel rack. This is linen closet, shelf. And then this is your last bedroom on the front of the house. Boom. This carpet is like new. I would have no aversion to rolling around on it because it's so nice and so clean. You may or may not like rolling around on carpet, but your kids might if you have them. And here is your garage. You got a newer, this property is 2018, I believe. So all your appliances and fixtures and stuff are not that old. You have a sprinkler control in the corner to water that grass. Very spacious. And now let's check out that backyard. This yard is huge because it's on the cul-de-sac wedge. So you have lots of privacy. This is your covered patio. So this has a very slight incline up, so it kind of lifts the fence up so your neighbors can't really see into your backyard. And there's also not really any 2 stories that have windows. This one right here doesn't have a window on that top part. So you really have kind of some good privacy. The closest window is right there. And then, oh, your neighbors have windows over here, but I mean, they're probably not looking out those. I mean, but you have plenty of yard. Look at this. And let me walk out here. This is huge. Tons of space. It's a little over a 1/4 acre, I believe. Look at how much yard space this has. Boom. You could do all kinds of things back here. Cartwheels. Could it be any bigger? Yes, but would you want it any bigger? No. It's amazing. I love it. I'm sure you will too. And that is 1615 Autumn Sage.